Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have a ramen noodle review, and this is a Maggi 2-minute noodles, and this is curry flavor made in Malaysia, and this is a halal certified product. So yeah, this will be a quick video, more than likely 2-minute video, so yeah, let's get started. Alright, so let's have a close look. Alright, so we have a best before of July of 2018, so this should still be good and fresh. We have some nutritional stuff. Here's a sneak peek. In the back we have the instructions, ingredients, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so I got these a while back from Conrad. He's a subscriber, and yeah, he just hit me up, asked me if I wanted to try these, and told him sure, why not. So here we are, and here we have them. So yeah, let's try them. Alright, so we need some water and something to put the water in. Alright, so 400 mils is just above a cup and a half. So it looks just about right. And we'll get our stove. Alright, so we'll get the water boiling. Just balance this like so. Alright, so we'll get that water boiling. Alright, so let's break up the noodles. Split it up. Alright, there we have the noodles. Now we dunk them in the water. Now let's add the seasoning packet. Alright, there you have it. Let's get it in the cup. Give it a little stir. Alright, so we'll let the noodles simmer for about 2 minutes and they should be done. Alright, so let's check out our noodles. And yeah, they look really good. Check that out. Alright, so these noodles are extremely hot. Let's check them out. Alright, so let's try them out. Get a nice bite. Yeah, this fork is not that great. And there you have the noodles. Let's try them. Yeah, let's go for another bite. Alright, there we go. And they are extremely hot. Alright, let's try some of the soup. And there you have the soup. It's a slightly red color. I know it's hard to tell because I'm using a red spoon, but yeah, let's try it. Yeah, those are pretty good noodles, nice and tender. The flavor is a little bit on the spicy side, nice and savory and tasty. You do get a hint of that curry, but yeah, these noodles are good. Thumbs up. But yeah, I just want to give a huge thanks to Conrad. He actually sent me a whole box of these, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, they're really good, so thanks a lot. yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave me a like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.